1,000 yards. So if we can serve them with the land at affordable prices, you will have number of employment will be very high, and production will be there, and they are the catalyst between the small industry and the major industries. Without them, nothing can be done because they are the suppliers to the major industries. And lot of requirement is there and lot of problems are there. For the last many years, subsidies have not been given. So we request you to kindly look into it. And I have some representation. So kindly look into that. Give us more free time to meet you, sir. We never had time to opportunity to meet earlier. So kindly consider giving us opportunity and time. Thank you very much.